Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys the kind of makeup look that I would normally do if I don't have time to do a full-on beat. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so this video is going to be a very quick, easy makeup tutorial. This is like a natural everyday makeup look. If you don't have the time, which I don't right now, it is 4 o'clock on the dot. I need to be out of my house by 4:30 because I'm going to get measured for my friend's wedding. So let's go ahead and start. So I'm going to be taking this primer. This is a Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I'm not going to be putting on any eyeshadow today because, like I said, we don't have time. We don't have time. Now, as you can see, this is my wash and go. It looks so, it just looks sad. Like, my hair looks so sad because of that damn Dominican blowout. Tragic. It's really tragic. If you're one of those people who can put heat to your hair and then curl right back up and keep doing it over and over, I salute you. My hair does not do that. My hair did not take well to that heat, and it just messed me all up. So for foundation, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. It is so freaking hot in this room. Oh Lord. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with this foundation brush. Next, I picked up the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. Now that I have it in my hand, this looks hella light. I picked up the shade Golden Honey. Ooh, Lord, let's see how this looks. I don't know until we blend it out, but right now it definitely looks like a Golden Honey. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my damp beauty sponge. Okay, this is pretty bright, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, let me go ahead and set my face, taking the Calyx Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder. To contour, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm not going to cream contour today because I don't have enough time. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the highlighter that's in this contour palette. So this right here. My face a nice spritz with my Maybelline Master Fix. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my eyelashes. I am going to be wearing false lashes. If this eye, if it looks kind of crazy, is because I put too much glue, so the glue is still drying on it. So don't mind the way it looks. So moving on to the lips, I'm going to be taking this Mentha Lip Shine lip gloss, and this is from Bath & Body Works. And this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this very short, super sweet video. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Also, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.